Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Chevy Uplander, a nice affordable van with good miles on for its age. You can see a few rock chips. It was owned by a school district here in South Dakota. Got good tread on the tires, pretty much I'd say new. Maybe we might even put them on new. So a little bit of rock chip down below there, but pretty decent van. The interior's pretty nice. I don't know, they've got some residue from something, some tape on there. A few holes in the dash there, and the dash is cracked up there. But 107, probably gonna say door open, 107,495 I believe is the mileage. Yeah, 107,423. But like I said, nice van for its age. Got the buckets in the middle so you can get into the back. Really not any rust issue. That's just some dirt. Yeah, the new tires up front. I think the back are not. It's mismatched. Few rock chips. So if you're looking for a decent older van, this one's priced nice and only 107,000 miles. 605-692-7010.